just chilling. We got big stickers and little stickers. That is so dope. What's up, guys? We are starting off at the gas station. We start here very often. Don't need too much, I don't think. Right now we are on our way to Lean and a few other people's pre-meet. So we are going to the K&N Cars and Coffee, but we are on our way to West Covina / Mexico to start the pre-meet. And then we'll all ride over together. There should be a good amount of bikes. Oh, maybe we were pretty empty. If we're already at 2 gallons, I'm glad. Oh, God. But yeah, we are going to start off at the Cars and Coffee right now. Or, this is going to be a long day. It's only going to be probably, might be separate. It's definitely going to be separate videos for you guys. Don't know if I'm going to do separate vlog for the ride over and then while at the meet. Probably, because this is going to be a big-ass meet. So I'll probably do 2 parts to this. Part 1 will go out Wednesday. Part 2 will go out on Thursday or Friday. Not sure. Probably Friday. We'll plan for Wednesday, Friday. Maybe Saturday. Maybe that's the day I start. This is the week I start my double uploads. Who knows? Now let's start our directions. Cutting it close. Supposed to be there at 7:45 or 6:45 to 7, I think 10. But of course it's closed. Okay, cool. That way's open. But yeah, we're on our way to the pre-meet with Lean. Might get a couple runs in with a few people. Don't know yet. We'll see. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys when we are pulling up to the pre-meet. I can't hear anything. Alrighty.
How you been?
This has been gone for like a month and a half, so pissed, huh? Quick shifter went out, so the plates went bad. So I got it back. The last week. I barely got it back. It was gone for a month and a week. We live in the same neighborhood, so now I'm fucking scared. I don't want to leave. I put it all the way in the back.
I was like, he told me, I'm like, bro.
I called him. I was like, hey, you going to the meet? He was like, well, there's a problem with that. He was like, because the Cardo event. Did you go to the Cardo? No, I didn't see you guys at the Cardo. I was talking to him. Or maybe I was talking to him. He was like, yeah, I can't go. I'm like, why? He was like, I don't got a bike. I was like, oh, what do you mean? Yeah, I was like, what do you mean? He was like, yeah, they stole last night. I was like,
What's going on, buddy?
chilling you? Huh? What do you mean? we might be able to run it now.
Yeah, why? Straps?
It kind of comes down.
What is that?
Am I leaking coolant?
Move your bike somewhere else?
I hope not. Wait, my coolant isn't red though.
Where are you guys going? Wait for me. That was my idea.
It wasn't leaking in my driveway right now. You know, it might be my overflow. But alright guys, let's walk around. We're here with some friends. We got a nice little Ninja. It looks like a stunter's bike. MT-07 with his little pole. I think that's a bike that flew past us on the freeway right now. Little V2. 3BR 636. Ooh, we got a little S1K over here. Let's turn this Cardo off. Don't need to waste the battery. Not as many bikes, but it's early. Oh, got the new Alpine Star helmet. S1K. Got some rear sets. Stock levers. Another stunter, all stunted out. A little beat up ass R3. A little clapped. Nothing too bad, a little clapped. Alright, we're good. Ninjas, R3. Did we just walk to the gas station with everybody? F it. Is it too early for caffeine? Yeah, it's too early. Alright guys, I will catch you guys later. So when we got here there wasn't that many, but now it looks like there's a good amount, which is lucky. Good amount more showed up right now. Got the little ride out with everybody. That white Alpine Star, I'm not a big fan of white helmets, but that white Alpine Star is pretty dope. I'll give it to him. Bro, up there. He just chilling. We're still recording, right? Yeah, right? Yeah, we're good. Bro, smooth. Got a foot in the back, up top. He just did a seated one. Alright, we had to make sure we weren't accidentally zoomed out. Bro, just chilling up there. That's crazy. Yeah, damn, this thing is packed. Got some old Mustangs over here. Is that a Supra? Yeah, there's some. Wonder Woman. God damn, look at those tires. What else we got? Well, K&N. It's their event, so they should be here. Probably gonna ride through all of it just to get a glimpse of everything. Walking all of this. Maybe we're not pulling in there. There's a lot of cars here. This is probably the biggest Cars and Coffee I've seen in Southern California. God damn. Let's open up this visor a little bit. Yeah, this place is packed. That's just the DJI filters. We got big stickers and little stickers. That is so dope. Big Can-Am. Giottos on it. This is Martin. I think it's Pro Charged. You're slow. What's up, big dog?
It is slow.
We can run it. Huh? Okay. That'll be fun. Clean Cobra. Ooh, after him. Got yourself a little BMP blower. Terminator. These are so cool. We saw them park. These are so dope. I need me a stickers like this. Look at this thing. This paint is immaculate. This is an OEM paint job. Wow. I bet this thing is quick being turboed and weighing probably nothing. Was it boosted? Is there an air filter down there? Oh, the boost is right there. I'm blind. What the hell? Pro Charge. You broke it!
It's not shooting out the back.
God damn it, John. Should have told me when I was over there. What's up, guys? It always does it. Anytime it's hot, the starter is right next to the engine, so it struggles to turn over whenever it's hot. Did they already make it all the way out or no? Is that them right there? Oh, that's not them. That's a different group. Alrighty, but we are out of here. Oh, some cool things over here. Ooh, look at that bike. I missed everything over here. Should have did maybe a little ride through. Yeah, they got Pontiacs on this side. They got a. I missed like half the meet. I never made it to this side. That's a view. Look at that. We got a little Supra all the way in the back. I I think that Supra was at the meet. That's kind of funny. This is a wrap for the K&N meet. Steve ended up beating us. If you guys watch next week's vlog, right now we are going to be on our way. Oh, bro got some skill over there. We are on our way to go ride some MVs. Some MV Agustas. But thank you guys for watching this video. Got some clips from the meet. There was so much going on. Didn't get much, so we only got a little bit of the pre-ride and the post-ride over here to make it days. But thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.